Hi everybody and welcome to Baby Rhyme Time. I'm Ulla from Moreton Bay Library and I'll be running this session today. So let's start off with our acknowledgement of country, and this is how it goes. Here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, we're on gubby gubby ground. First off, we've got the hello song, and we're going to sing and wave at the same time. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? I hope you're well today. I'm pretty good, and I'm looking forward to some of our rhymes today. Our first few rhymes, I'm going to have a little friend help me. So I've got Bunny here to stand in for my baby. And when you're doing songs like this, it's always a good idea to turn the little one towards you so that you can see their little cheeky smiles and they can interact with you as you sing. So this one goes like this. Cheek, chin, nose. Cheek, chin, toes. Cheek, chin, up, baby goes. Let's try that one again. Cheek, chin, nose. Cheek, chin, toes. Cheek, chin, up, baby goes. Next one, we've got Baa Baa Black Sheep. And we'll sing it twice. Once for the little girl down the lane, once for the little boy down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little girl who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. I think we've got a pretty cool song up next from Sheep. We're going to fly to the moon. And Bunny can help us with this one too. And I'm going to add in a little bit down the bottom. It'll be 3, 2, 1, blast off. And then we can raise our baby into the air as if they were a rocket taking off to the moon. Zoom, 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 I'm going to the moon. Zoom, 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 I'll get there very soon. If you want to take a trip, jump on board my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 I'm going to the moon. 3, 2, 1, blast off. Whoa, bouncing back to earth. One more bouncing song that we've got that Bunny can help me with is I'm toast in the toaster. I'm toast in the toaster. I'm getting very hot. Tick tock, up I pop. One more time. Flipped around so I can see your little smile. I'm toast in the toaster. I'm getting very hot. Tick tock, up I pop. Next, we're going to visit a farm. Bunny, you can go down here for this one, I think. So we're going to visit a farm and see what animals we saw along the way. I went to visit a farm one day. I saw a dog along the way. And what do you think I heard it say? Woof, woof, woof. Next up, I think we're going to see a chicken. I went to visit a farm one day. I saw a chicken along the way. And what do you think I heard it say? Cluck, cluck, cluck. We've got a horse coming up next. I went to visit a farm one day. I saw a horse along the way. And what do you think I heard it say? Neigh, neigh, neigh. And this song can go on indefinitely. So you can add in other farm animals. You can even add in that you saw a tractor or a truck or a bus that goes beep on your way to the farm. So there's lots that you can do with that song. Maybe when we arrived at the farm, we saw some frogs and one of them made some funny noises. I think one of them did, and it went der-glumph. Der-glumph went the little green frog one day. Der-glumph went the little green frog. Der-glumph went the little green frog one day, and the frog went glump, glump, glump. But we all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. We all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da. They don't go glump, glump, glump. Must have been a pretty strange frog. And from froggies, we go to piggies. So we'll sing this one twice through too. You can sing this one with little piggies on your feet, your toes, or you can sing it on your hands. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef and this little piggy had none. And this little piggy cried, wee, 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 all the way home. And now for the other side. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef and this little piggy had none. And this little piggy cried, wee, 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 all the way home. And I think it's time that we left our farm and we can sing goodbye to the animals as we're leaving. And we'll wave to them as we sing too. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon on another day. Thanks for joining me for Rhyme Time, and I hope to see you in the library soon.